Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we'll see what are left outer join. As per the definition, it returns all records from the left table and match record from the right table. Let's see in the diagram table 1 and table 2, it is saying all the records from the table 1 and the matching records from table 1 and table 2. Here is the syntax: select table 1, column 1, table 1, column 2, and so on from the table 1. Similarly, we will have all the columns from table 2. From table 1 and the keyword left outer join table 2 on table 1 dot column 1 and table 2 dot column 1. So these are the columns which are matching from table 1 and table 2. Let's see how we can achieve it in SQL Server. Let's open SQL Server, select the database, click on new query, just drag and drop here the order and the customer table, and then select star from this so that we can see all the columns and rows from both the table, and then we'll apply the outer join. Select star from, I'm just using star, will change it as per the column requirement. Let's see, I have given the alias is C, then left outer join, and then here we have, and then just complete the syntax on C equal to, as we can see that customer ID is present in table 1 and table 2, so just use that customer ID, just copy them, equal, and change the alias as we are doing it with O. Now I want the columns from table 1 and table 2. I just want the column customer name from table customer name, and the item from order table O dot item name, O dot quantity, and the last column O dot price. Let's just select them and remove it from here and execute this query. You can see that the matching elements, matching rows, Mike Luther, John Couture and Michael is coming from the table 1 and table 2, all matching elements. Left is completely, and even we can see that this is not matching with any rows from right table, but as per the outer left outer join, it is coming that Ego Chapel who did not have any order, so the values are coming null, but the values, all values is coming from left table. So this is how we can do it, left outer join. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching. We'll cover other joins in upcoming videos. Thank you.